I've generated over 17,000 members on the platform of Skool, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can drive traffic from wherever the hell your audience is to your free Skool community. So lead generation channels are basically the medium through which you acquire leads. Examples of lead generation channels could be YouTube, Instagram, Skool, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, Discord, Rumble, LinkedIn, etc. So these are the examples. So that's basically everything you need to know about lead generation channels. Okay? So there literally isn't much to it anyway. It's pretty straightforward and self-explanatory. Okay, so now let's go over building your actual lead generation channels out. So before we dive deeper into anything complex, we need to nail down where you're going to be getting consistent leads from. Now, one thing I want you to keep in mind is I only want you to pick 2 channels at max. Best case scenario is just pick one channel and try and drive all your traffic from there. Now, the reason for that is because I want you to place all your focus on that one channel, acquiring leads from that one channel, so that can become like a lead generation machine for you. You know, as compared to diversifying your focus across 3, 4, 5, 6 lead generation channels. Now, what you can do from there, or what you can do, is when you're getting consistent leads from one channel, then you can actually repurpose that content and post it to 3 to 5 other channels. But you need to make sure that your main focus, your main priority is still on that main channel. And the other channels are bonus if they get your leads. Now, best case scenarios, you can delegate that to AI or hire someone for you, hire someone that you can, hire someone, I actually messed up my words. So, best case scenario is you can delegate that to AI or hire someone to repurpose the content for you so that you can focus on making the best content possible on that one platform. So here are the lead generation channels I want you to pick from. So 2 maximum. So Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, which is basically X, LinkedIn, Skool, Facebook, and TikTok. Okay, so pick 1 or 2 from these. Okay. Now, a fun fact is Alex Hormozi's main form of lead generation comes from YouTube, then Instagram. Okay, write this down somewhere. YouTube, best, right? Now I'm going to go over the 3 easiest ways to get consistent leads. Sit tight, take notes. So lead generation. So first is organic advertising. This is basically where you make content online, something like what I'm doing right now. Now, to optimize this, you want to use a flywheel effect. Not systems, you want to build a flywheel system. So you want to set 2 platforms max on where you're going to post. Then I want you to write a weekly content schedule. Then I want you to start following successful creators in your niche, see what they're doing, and then start creating content based off of that. Now we want to create a movement or a vision people can relate to. So when creating a movement, I want you to ask yourself, what do you want people to associate with you? An example of this is Andrew Tate's movement. The mission was to become excellent in all human endeavors, to break out of the rat race. Now, the enemy of this movement was the Matrix, and its principles are masculinity, stoicism, strength, traditionalism, and freedom of speech. So I want you to ask yourself, what do you want? What are your principles? What is the enemy that you're trying to work against? Okay. Next thing is cold outreach. So cold outreach is basically reaching out to people or reaching out to someone that doesn't know you at all. Now, if you want to do this, then you need to define where your target audience hangs out, message all of those people, make them book a call with you, close them. Okay. And the third one is warm outreach. So warm outreach is basically people that already know you from a previous conversation. You've networked with them. So there's 4 steps to this process. Identify potential leads that meet your customer avatar that you know. Start talking to them, understand their current state, and offer them free advice. Get them on a call, close them. Right. So that is exactly how to identify all your lead generation channels and actually start driving traffic. Right. So if you can apply all this, there's no way you can't get 1,000 qualified leads in the next 90 days if you put your head down and work. So I want you to apply all of this, right? Watch this video again if you have to. Apply all of it, implement it, and then let the results come, right? So take action.